Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro Max, and now I'm going to show you how to create a local backup using your Mac device. To do it, you need to connect your device to your PC, to your Mac. It will ask you about trust or don't trust, so click trust, of course, and confirm your screen lock. Then on the Mac, click your iPhone. Wait a while, I want to set up it in the way. Cool. And so, what we need to do then we need to click trust on the MacBook. And then it will ask you again for password, so confirm the password again. Okay, syncing. Wait a while, and as you can see, all goes great. And what we can do right now? Now, as you can see, we can manage backups, and we can click backup now. And now, using just simple step, so entering the password, you can create the backup. It's very easy to do. Of course, I have no anything to backup because it's new iPhone. I have nothing on it. I have even don't edit the account. So as you can see, creating the local backup is really easy. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.